Alright, we're home. See what Santa give us. Shut that door, okay? Oops, what was that? You did that, didn't you? Meaning that was Santa Claus? Really? The baby?
Yeah.
Good Lord, Daddy. Get in, boo. Get that jacket. Look around, Joshua. No, not yet. Not yet. We don't open presents until I finish cooking.
I'm gonna get my presents.
Turn the lights on.
Light on. What do you got in there? What is that?
Turn the lights on. No, turn the lights on. Turn the lights on.
Who put something in that stocking?
Oh my goodness.
It's full.
Is it full, Joshua?
It's candy and everything.
Is it?
Get that.
Huh?
Get it. Get it. It's locked.
Is it?
Somebody's in there.
Is it?
Hello?
Daddy, can you find the key, Daddy? It said it's locked.
Hello?
I think I got it here, Daddy. I got some in here.
Hello? Who's in here? Whoever.
Okay, let me see. You watch, Daddy. Go, get.
Back, bud.
You turn the lights on, okay? Okay. Oh my goodness.
What does that thing do?
Oh my goodness.
My goodness, that's a big train set, Bubba.
Are you a good boy? Yeah? Oh my goodness. I don't think Joshua deserves all of this.
But I think so.
You think so? Why is that?
Oh.
There you go.
What does this thing do?
That's a crane. Because it got like this. It's magnet. See?
Oh! Daddy.
Read him. Meow, meow. Meow, wow.
Are you gonna call Natty? Yeah?
Can you call her? You tell her what happened?
You gonna tell her what happened? Lay in Big Brother's bed, Daddy.
Oh my goodness, somebody got some pajamas too.
Hey! Look! Look right there in the bed.
Where?
In the bed!
Star Wars! Yes! I know I get that. I knew it.
I knew it. Won't you go put your pajamas on so I get some good pictures of you, huh? Alright, you can take it all night. See this right here, watch this thing. See?